Hey there, Jim. This is your buddy old pal Dawn, and you put in a request for a video, and so I figured I would try one out to help you. And so, here we go. I'm going to ask you some questions about what I saw in your video. So first off, what exactly is an ass clown? Can anybody be an ass clown? Could I be an ass clown? Are there rules and regulations on ass clown memberships? If I'm not funny, will I get terminated from the ass clowns? That would so suck. So, okay. Do we all have to have that distinctive, hideous laugh that you demonstrated at the beginning of your video to be an ass clown? I don't have that laugh, Jim. What am I to do? Okay, next on the list is the room that I'm in. Just like the room you're in, it's also in a house, which is not owned by my father. Because I, unlike you, am at the receiving end of child support. And my kid's dad, great guy, is in the Air Force. And I think the slogan for that is aim high. So I have to relay a message to him, and that is that I think you should strive to aim really super high so you'll make even more money, because I speak for all moms across America when I say you can't give us too much child support. You work your tail off, you give us the money, and we find a way to spend it. And let me just say, it all goes to your children. Well, we're not shopping for ourselves, that is. But I just wanted to clear the air on that little issue that you touched on, because I didn't know if that was a complaint or what. But us mothers, we really, really appreciate that child support. It makes us smile. And third on the list is that you said that you were a multiple. I don't know if that was like a little slip of the tongue right there, Jim. Because if you're a twin and I don't know it, what the heck's going on? I thought we were friends. Like, how would I not know this little tidbit of information? Okay, and fourth on the list is my shameless plug at advertising for my business. As you know, I do airbrush spray tanning. And what would be the most hilarious thing ever would be for you to do, it would be for you as a tremendous asset to your wonderful AskCon page. You could get in my spray tent in wearing none other than the brightly colored Speedo. And I would spray you down live on video. And all of your fans would be, yeah, this is so funny. Oh my God, the ass clown to go down in history as the funniest guy in America. It would be you, James Jenkins, you. I'm trying to help you out. This is a plug for me, it's a plug for you. It's a win-win situation. So my friend, let me end with this. You keep wearing the visor. You keep doing these video blogs and I will keep watching.